Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 119th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. To use text transform property, we'll start with doctype HTML. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS. Now text transform uppercase, text transform lowercase, text transform equals to capital, capitalize, now we'll end style tag, head tag and body tag. P class equals to now we'll end P tag, now we'll end body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it as 119 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D HTML folder and 119th program. So this is our basic output of how to use text transform property, and don't forget to check the text in description and like, share and subscribe the channel for the amazing videos.